Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To cook a turkey breast in a Ninja Foodi, start by seasoning your turkey breast as desired. Preheat your foodie using the bake, roast function at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Place the turkey breast in the cook and crisp basket and into the pot. Cook for approximately 15 minutes per pound, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Let the turkey rest for 10 minutes before slicing to ensure it remains juicy. This method combines roasting and air frying, giving you perfectly cooked turkey that's golden and crisp on the outside.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.